Maybe or maybe. What's the difference?
Hey, do you know the difference between maybe and maybe?
I think so, but can you explain it?
Sure. Maybe is one word and means perhaps or possibly. Like, maybe we'll go to the beach today.
Got it. And what about maybe?
Maybe is two words. It's a verb phrase that means might be. For example, it may be sunny later.
So, maybe is like possibly, and maybe is like might be?
Exactly. Here's a fun way to remember maybe is the adverb version and maybe is the verb phrase.
Cool. Thanks for clearing that up.
Let's listen in on a conversation between two friends planning their weekend using maybe and maybe.
Hey, did you hear about the new cafe opening downtown?
I did. I'm excited to check it out. Maybe we should go this weekend.
Okay, but have you seen the weather forecast? It may be raining on Saturday.
Oh no. If it rains, we might have to rethink our plans. Maybe we can try it next weekend instead.
True. Or if it's just a light drizzle, we could still go. Maybe we'll just bring some umbrellas.
Good idea. And if the weather may be worse than expected, we could always grab a movie instead.
I like how you think. Maybe the rain will turn into a perfect excuse for a cozy day indoors.
Exactly. So, we'll keep an eye on the forecast and make our decision. Either way, it'll be fun.
Definitely. Whether it's coffee or movies, maybe we'll end up having an awesome weekend.
Okay, let's stay optimistic and see how it goes.
We should try the new sushi place tonight. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is a maybe. She. At the library studying for her exams. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is B. I'll take a nap before starting my homework. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is a maybe. You should call her to see if she's okay. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is a maybe. He. The one who left the door open. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is B. The planning a surprise party for you. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is B. It's time to buy a new laptop. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is a maybe. E. Late because of the traffic. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is B. We can catch a movie after dinner. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is a maybe. This weekend. The perfect time to go hiking. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is B. We should reschedule our meeting for next week. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is a maybe. The answer is E. Late because of the traffic. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is B. Maybe. The missing book. In the library's lost and found. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is B. Maybe. I'll join you for a run tomorrow morning. Maybe. Be maybe. The answer is a maybe. The answer.
Thanks for watching our video on the difference between maybe and may to be. We hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you could hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.